What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Legend Z34. I'm back at it again with another video. Right now I'm headed to pick up my O2 sensor extension. We installing the headers today, baby. I'm dropping it off with Model's Garage. He said it'll take about 1 or 2 days to install, so no rush right there. I'll have my car by this weekend, and next week I'll install the ported manifold and the E5 and the GTR injectors. So yeah, bros, roll the full bolt-on, baby. Here we come.
I get in my bag, I'll do it up for my dog. Last at the bank, I'm like, oh. I know my haters, they want me to follow. Kicking nigga down with the sawdust.
Albuquerque back at it again with this fucking bipolar ass weather. I can't even keep my car clean for about 1 or 2 days, dude. It gets dirty as fuck right away. It's like my car attracts bad weather. But yeah, bro, so I'm taking to Mondo's Garage right now. Headed to pick up my package. And then, yeah, I won't have my car for a day or two. But it's nothing new. I don't drive this bitch all week anyways. Let's see, dudes. I'm really curious on what power we're gonna make next week. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. We'll do some more runs. We'll get some more runs in with some other cars. We'll see what's popping. Other than that, bros, thanks for always tuning in. Thanks for subscribing, liking my videos all the time. Yeah, we're just going up from here now. There's gonna be more car content, better content coming soon. So just stick around, bros. Let's do a hit, boys. It's gonna be my last hit on this setup. Yes, sir. Yeah, these people probably think it's gunshots in the ghetto. Shit. No problems are there. Got my whole body rocking this shit. Shit. Yeah. Fuck. Alright, bros. Got the OT sensor extender. Is that a tow me, fucker? Just kidding. Fuck, dude. I'm still tired from work. Working graveyard is something else. Dude, I'm telling you. If you ever been in a 370, dude, blind spots up the ass.
Damn, I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
Bro, it started raining, right? And I went to go hit my windshield wipers. Dude, them motherfuckers don't work at all, bro. It just made it worse. Shit. I'm going full bolt on. I can't even fix my windshield wipers. Hey, but that's how I am though, dude. I can see a shirt for like 30 bucks, 20 bucks. I'm like, shit, that's expensive. Hey, I see a new pair of wheels, new set of wheels. Hey, 1,200, whatever, 2 G's. That's cheap as a motherfucker. That's just me though, brothers. But yeah, look at these motherfuckers, dude. It's not that much water, but look. Shit. I see shit on this motherfucking thing. That motherfucker was loud. 5.0s are loud as shit.
Three days later.
What's good, bros? Quick little update on the Z. I finally picked it up about 30 minutes ago. Mondo's Garage finished the headers. It came out very good, bro, like really good. But I'm opening headers right now because I had a pipe welded to the white pipe into the stock headers. And right now, I just got off work So the car's with the car's at Extreme Mobile Detail getting a full interior detail right now. So after that, I'll go pick it up and take it to Vato's garage and probably weld a flange to it. If not, I'll just weld it to the header. I really don't want to do that, but if I gotta do it, I gotta do it. Don't mind the open headers. Fucking loud, bro. Sounds like a V8. Holy shit. Sounds like a tractor. Are you LS swapped? We back, baby. Sheesh. This car sounds crazy. Fuck, I missed this, bro. But yeah, it's torquey, but I can feel a little bit of a power loss. I have a misfire, so I just bought injectors, some spark plugs right now. But I'm headed home now, bros, and I'm about to drop my car off with the homie. We're about to install the ported manifolds and the flex fuel kit. And I have a tune coming up on Thursday, so stay tuned for that. And I need an alignment now. So it's money after money, bros. Fuck. But thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Legend family, we out.
I get in my bag, I'll do it up for my dog. Last at the bank, I'm like, oh. I know my haters, they want me to fall off.